It's called Starlight, Star Bright. It says, starlight, star bright, first star I see tonight. I wish I may, I wish I might, have the wish I wish tonight. Have you ever made a wish for something? If you'd like, you can practice writing the word star, which is here, S-T-A-R, and you can color in the stars and the moon, and then you can write down what you might wish for. I wish, and then you can turn this into me for homework. So here's your only homework of this unit. So Starlight, Star Bright is your homework. Then on the other page that it's attached to, it's also about stars. So have an adult help you cut out the stars and you can glue them into the sky. Have lots of fun with it. Bye, friends.